friends, it's Abigail. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a barrel roll. Generally, I use this with my clients who are 55 or up, and I also use it on people who have lower leg pain or low back pain. So let's go through this. You're going to swing your legs off to the side here, brace yourself with both arms, and carefully allow your upper body to roll down to the ground. Now, keeping your core tight and your knees in line with your shoulders, we're going to roll to the back. So now you're on your back. Whether your legs are straight or bent, we're going to want them bent. So if they are straight, bring them right back up. Keep a nice tight core, and exact same thing. We're going to flip to our side, keep the knees and the shoulders aligned, very tight stomach. Use your hands and press yourself back up. This protects the vertebrae and is an excellent way of getting up if your core muscles aren't quite strong enough to do a full sit-up. I prefer the barrel roll, and I think it's healthier for you all around.